Welcome to your roller shutters video installation guide. Here we'll take you through step by step how to install your roller shutters. Automatic roller shutter installation. Window preparation. Check for any uneven surfaces on the wall face or along the window's edge. If you find uneven surfaces, mark the areas to grind back. Use the grinder to flatten the surface, as this will help for a smooth install. Use the width of the guides to mark the quad to prepare for cutting. Measure the length between the two quad cutting points. Measure the width of the shutter's pelmet box. Re-measure between the two cutting points to make sure you have the correct size before cutting. Once cut, carefully remove the quad from the eave, making sure you remove any nails and debris from the surface. Preparation of the pelmet box. Carefully peel the protective wrapper away. Attach the end plate legs to the end plates on both sides. Feed the cable through the pre-drilled hole on the side your motor is attached. Slide in the insert rollers on both ends. Wall and guide preparation. Measure the side of the end plate. Mark this measurement on the wall down from where you want the top of the head box to sit. This will be used as a guide for your shutter guides. Place the top of guide into position. Mark the drill positions at the top, middle and bottom of the guide for where you intend to fix to the wall. Copy over the marks to the other guide. Mark the drill position on the guides 10mm in from the outside of guide. Your next step is to drill the pilot holes with a 6mm bit, ensuring to go through both sides of the guide. Now drill through the front of the guide with the 9.5mm bit, or the inside if in reveal. Return to your window and, using a pencil, mark out the 3 holes on both sides. Now drill with a 6mm masonry bit on your pre-marked positions. Softly tap in the green wall plugs. Go inside to where you plan to mount the shutter controller. Clear the area where you will install the controller. Now select the height that you want the control at and apply a strip of tape to the window. Once outside, find the nearest grout line and, using a 10mm extra long masonry bit, drill through to inside while applying a slight horizontal angle to avoid the inside architrave. Now feed a length of wire with a hook on the end through the wall, ensuring the hook is on the outside of the window. Place the guide for that side of the window next to the wire and, with a pencil, mark the height of the guide. Now, using a 10mm drill bit, drill the back of the guide to enable a cable to be fed through. Feed the cable down the inside of the guide and pull it through the pre-drilled hole. Swivel the guides around and slide them onto the end plate legs, pulling the cable as you go. Mounting the shutter to the wall. Move the roller shutter into position. Hook the cable onto the wire and, with someone inside, pull it through. Now lift the shutter into position, ensuring the cable is completely through. Using screws, fix the shutter to the wall through the pre-drilled holes. Remove the protective foam. While you are doing this, loosen the shutter and feed it into the guides. As you pull the roller down, keep removing the protective foam. Controller installation. Connect the cable ports with the wall plate ports on the back of the wall plate. Then, using wall mates and screws, fix the wall plate to the wall. Ensure it's level, then reattach the cover plate. Limit setting. Pressing down on the controller and using the tool provided, calibrate the bottom limit of the shutter by rotating until the limit is found. This may take a few times up and down. Calibrate the top limit of the shutter by using the same method. The top limit is set when the bottom rail of the shutter is level with the insert rollers. Once again, this may take a few times up and down. Finishing touches. Lift the front pelmet cover into place. Use a rivet gun to secure the pelmet box. Use your rubber mallet to tap the hole caps into place. Then your shutter is complete. Controller operation. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your roller shutter.